Alrighty.
What do you do?
I'm gonna get the water filled, Hudson. You go do the food.
Alright.
I'm gonna set up a tripod. There we go. That's good. The hose might be frozen. We'll see. Hopefully it's not. I don't know. We're about to find out. It's frozen? No, it's not. Okay, good. It's not frozen. Hurry. So the hose right in there. Works good. Getting close. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, don't whine, dogs. Dogs are whining. Alright, there we go. That should be good. There we go. It's full. Alright. So, I'm going to drive the lawnmower back over there. And I'm just going to, yeah, Hudson will take the camera. I think. Yeah. That's how it's going to go. So, yeah. How much battery we got left? Alright. This is going to be, hopefully we can get the film all done. We got 18% battery left. Not much for a GoPro, and it runs out fast. See how I'm just going to grab a 5 gal. And, yeah. Load it up on the low. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I think it's heavy. Oh. I just waddle and carry it. It's hard doing it one-handed. Set y'all up right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. I need that rope. Alright, here we go. Phew. Got it. Alright. Alright, Hudson, you want me to take him back? Alright, here you go. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and walk over here. I'm gonna beat him there.
Go one by one.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so he's gonna bring that over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just walk over here and beat him there. So it shouldn't take that long.